Welcome back everyone, this is the Indian Clasher and I am here on the iOS server. So today I'm just gonna go with my HBMs. I've already completed 3 of them, the first 3, A, B and C, and we'll start with D today. Let me just show you what heroes I have. The idea is to just go with the first 3 heroes that I have, the main 3 heroes that I have. Levanica, let me just show you. So I have Levanica, Valiant Saintis and Boreal Fox. Here is my Valiant Saintis, Levanica and Boreal Fox. They're at level 10. I'm not caring about this talent as of now. I do not have any cards. I cannot even I cannot roll anything for now. So they're just maxed out in terms of skill. That too at level 10, and they're I think at 120 or 130, 120's level. So let's just go with the wave D1 first. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'll just fast forward this to 4x because otherwise it becomes too boring and then it takes a lot of time as well. So the first wave, I think I can easily win it. It's not an issue. I am expecting to at least go till maybe J or K. That's my expectation, but let's see. So wave D3. Okay, so we're at wave D3. I'm interested to see actually what happens when when the last wave comes and the dragon comes along. I remember there used to be some kind of a dragon, a small dragon, and it will be easily defeated. Also, my Thunder God is dead. So my Thunder God and Emotive are just there, just for the sake of it. I mean, they are at, I think, 2 stars. So they're at 40 and 20. So not expecting much out of it. So we're done with D5. Let's go with E now. Okay, so E1, I think the way I have, what I really want to test it out is these 3 heroes, Levanica, Valiant Saintis and Boreal Fox at 120 with skill level 10. What is going to happen? How far can we go actually in HBM? I mean, are they just too overpowered? Because I remember completing these used to be a real task, but now now I'm not sure how powerful these guys are actually. I mean, I have played them on my Android account, but at those levels you actually never understand. You can only see the damage and attack. I mean, what kind of damage are they going to do, but in the real gameplay you get an idea. So let's see this dragon. So he's already dead. Okay, so Levanica is just too damn powerful, no doubt about it. Okay, so we're done with E. Let's just go with F now. So I think till J. So till J, I think I should be able to do it. Okay, so my Thunder God is dead at F1. Okay, but Valiant Saint is doing the job. Okay, that's good. So F1 is cleared out. My hero base is also gone. So if you've observed, my hero base is just level 1 actually. I mean, level 1 hero base, so no defensive capabilities at all. It's just on these 3 heroes. This is actually a fun test, how strong are these heroes. So we are at F5 now. Let's see. I'll just zoom in and then see what kind of damage are we doing. 16,000, 19,000, 17,000. So Levanica, I think that is Levanica's block. So Levanica is kind of surrounding. He does kind of some kind of damage. I think that is what it was. Let's go with F now. So yeah, so we have 6 monster passes. We go with F. F1 looking good. There is one more thing that I'm planning. I do not want to actually finish off those trees and the bushes that we have. What happens is, if you see the top bases and they generally have these Christmas trees and all those things. But what I want to do is, this base will be the original base. So I will not remove anything. I've already removed some of them, but the things that are present on the top, I'm not going to remove them at all. And I was also thinking of not placing any walls. That would be an amazing thing, right? And a base with no walls and the trees and the bushes also there. That would be great. but I don't know how much. I mean, like, is it really feasible or is it really efficient in terms of guild wars and other stuff? But then let's see. Okay, so we got some achievement here. Let's go with F now. Okay, so we're already done with F. Let's go with G. G1. I think I should be able to do this one as well. I mean, G is not an issue. So what are the alphabets? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So I think I should go at least. I should be able to do at least 4 of them with the heroes that I have. G2 is done. Look how strong. My Emotep and Thunderbird are still there. That was nice. Boreal Fox proc is just extremely powerful actually. You know, Boreal Fox and Levanica, they're just clearing out everything and anything that comes around. Variant Saint is kind of a hero to hero kind of person. I mean, like the hero to hero kind of killer hero. That's what she does. You see, there is no damage that happens around her. So it's mostly she converts herself into some kind of a beast, and then the attack and the damage increases. So that's what she does. But Lavanica and Boreal Fox, they are all their damage is over the playing field. At least Boreal Foxes. Lavanica has also goes with that similar way, but not a global proc, just around it. That is also good actually. It's not bad. So you see, my Emotep is dead, my Thunderbird is dead, and one of my hero base I think is demolished. Okay, no. So all my hero bases are intact. Okay, what is happening? Okay, you see, this is an issue. So my Variant Saint is kind of okay. So since the level of the hero bases are very low, my Levanica and Boreal Fox cannot proc, and Valiant Saint is good 1 versus 1, but with so many copters, I think she won't be able to finish. Okay, so we have 50 seconds only left now. Okay, so I think I'm gonna lose it. Is this the end? I think just placing heroes in a different manner should help. So my Valiant Saintess is at one end, and Levanica is at the other end, and Boreal Fox in the middle. I think I should maybe replace it. Replace Boreal Fox with Valiant Saintess. So at the two ends we have a Levanica and Boreal Fox. I think that should do. I could just go ahead and replace these heroes. Thundergod, okay. Okay, no, okay, so Levanica and Boreal Fox are together. Okay, that's why. Okay, so I've just changed the setup for Wave Edge. Let's see what happens. I think now it shouldn't be an issue. Also, my heroes didn't die. My hero bases didn't die. I just timed out. So I don't think so that is the end. I can go further. So again, these optics have come along. So now the setup is like Boreal Fox is at one end, Levanica is at one end, and in the middle we have Valiant Saintess. Okay, let's see. Wave H2 done. H3. H3, I don't think so it should be an issue. Levanica's proc took out all the copters. And Ninja. These heroes are not going to do anything. That is for sure. What about the other ones? Okay, this H5. Let's see what happens now. H5, and there was supposed to be some copters, right? What did I do wrong? The copters are done. The copters are done. I mean, okay, that's nice. So we're done with it. Let's go with the I1 now. I don't think so it should be an issue with the I1 as well. So we have Spirit Mage coming in here. I don't think so. The The only issue with Spirit Mage could be that it could destroy all the buildings, because my buildings are at extremely low level. at least the hero bases. So they're at level 1, so that could be an issue, but let's see how it goes. As of now, we're at I5, kind of going good. If the Maze had, okay, Levanica's proc just took out everybody. Whoa. Nice, let's go for the next one. Let's try J. I think we should maybe fade here. I am not so sure, but J used to be pretty hard uh, back in the day when I started playing the game and when HBMs came out. So, but you know, now the heroes have kind of on steroids, so you don't have to worry about it much. You see, I'm at J2 and I'm already okay. I think I'm gonna clear this one as well. If Spirit Mage has had some kind of revitalize, I think it could have been an issue. But for now, no, even revitalize won't help. Boreal Fox procs just took everyone away. J5, let's see what happens now. J5. J5 and we are done. Okay, that was easy. Let's try the next one then. Let's see. Okay, I think I do not have any more chances. Okay, how can I get it? Is there a way to get some more chances? So we have so many Inventor AK. I should try it in the warehouse. Okay, I do not have merits as well. Any particular pack that could give me in the warehouse? I do not have it. Maybe some pack that gives me HPM, anything. Spend gems. Oh yes, here we have it. Okay, so we have a lot of things here. 300 gems would actually give me 3 chances for HPMs. I'm gonna take those. Okay, why did I not receive the plus sign? Okay, I should have claimed it. Okay, claim it. Done. Pretty good. Okay, so we have 3 more chances. Let's go. Wave K now. K1. Okay, so those army units actually just go for the buildings, I guess. That is how they are built. Oh, will I again timeout? No, I think I should be okay. They're pretty powerful. I mean, they can easily kill off the buildings. Okay, so that's good. Wave K2. Everyone attacking, moving towards the center of the base, towards the heroes. So that is kind of scary because I'm just worried about my hero base. I don't think so my heroes will die because till now they haven't even been killed once. I mean, I didn't even see their health go down, and we do not have any healer whatsoever. That is crazy. It's just 3 heroes. That's it. Wave K5. Let's see what happens here. Wave K5 just like that. Kind of surprised. If I had a Walla here, I think I can go further. I mean, like, will I just reach the first 2 alphabet HBM with 3 heroes? I mean, if that happens, that would be just crazy. 3 heroes who are not even maxed out, just level 10 skill with at 120 level. I mean, that's a pretty good. The game has actually become very easy, and these heroes are just too overpowered, extremely overpowered. But then, of course, I had to spend $10 on it. If I just had Thunder God and Emotive, I'm pretty sure that would have taken a lot of time. You see, I'm just cruising through. At wave L4 now, there seems to be no issue at all. My 2 hero bases have gone, but somehow Imhotep is still alive. Thunder God is still alive. Thunder God is at level 20. So I think what is happening is before even reaching towards the center of the base, the enemy waves are getting finished off with Boreal Fox and Levanica's proc. So that's kind of crazy. Okay. L5 done. Let's try the next one now. Wave M. It's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? Okay. We have Triton. We have Ice Demon. Wave M1. I think I'm gonna clear this. It's gonna be easy, very very easy. So wave M2. And wave M3. I'm just is it that easy? Okay, my variance. Okay, that's okay. I thought my variance test will again be stuck with those copters. She took them out. Wave M5, the last one. Let's see what happens. Levanica proc. All the heroes are already gone. Boreal Fox gone. Proc. It's done. We just have one dragon left. And he's dead. Whoa, I'm at wave M5. That's really good. Let's go for the next match. I don't have now chances. So I'm just gonna wait for a couple of hours and then come back and record the video again. And I am back. So we have two more chances. Let's see. Wave N. Wave N1 looks good. How far can we go actually? That's what I'm thinking. I mean, my guess is at least till NOMNOPQRSTU. Maybe till T or maybe till T. I think so. I think we can go till T actually. Because my heroes aren't dying. They're not taking any damage till N4. And okay, I could be wrong because you see, I just have one hero base now, two hero bases now, and okay, so I thought maybe this would be the end. They'll clear out my hero bases, but that didn't happen. It's fine. Let's go for the next one. 01. Maybe I was lucky, or maybe who knows. So my Immortal is dead, my Thunder God is dead. 01, two heroes are dead. All the buildings are dead. I mean demolished. And none of the hero bases, they have not been able to touch the hero bases. That's good. My Levanica is actually going to proc in this one. Proc done. Levanica took out the whole wave by himself. Once one more proc and done. Boreal Fox didn't even have to proc. Next one, Levanica again proc. Oh, this is really crazy. 05, and also we have a big boss here. Okay, let's see. I think this is going to be tough. He can actually take on. Okay, I doubt it. The way he's just getting killed by Levanica proc, I mean, health is just going too fast. So I think I'm gonna win this one as well. I think I should fast forward it. So my Valiant Saintess and Boreal Fox are actually attacking. I'm not doing the full damage, but how much damage am I actually doing? Can I not see it? It's not visible actually. 3,000, 4,000? It should be at least more than that. Maybe in 16,000 damage. Okay, so I'm done with 05. Yeah. I just got an advancement back. Okay, so I'm not going to go spend it. But they're giving Dynamica back. But as of now, I do not need it. So we do not have any more chances left, and we've just come back. Let's see how many chances do we have right now. We have 4 chances now. Okay, so let's just go one by one. We are at P now. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen now? Okay, P1. I'm getting 97,900 experience. That is nice. Actually, this can really help the heroes to level up if I can go further. That's it. Wave P3. Come on. Okay, wave P3. I think Thunder God is dead. Emotek is still here. Somehow. That's the Bullfox proc. Okay. Vanica proc. The thing that appears on the ground, with the Levanicas proc, that looks like black hole kind of thing. It just takes away everything. So this boss, the P5 boss, let's see. I think I'm gonna win this one as well. I mean, I don't see any reason to lose. Let's just zoom in and then see how much health is left. So again, it's just getting attacked by Boreal Fox and my Saintess. And we are done. So we are through wave P also. I thought I will just go till J and I am at Q right now. So I mean that is just crazy, yeah. Really. Wave Q1. None of the heroes are dead. My 2 hero bases are gone. Okay. Levanica has actually taken damage in this round. Okay, that is something we didn't see till now. Let's see what happens next. And wave Q3 we are through. Q4 and we are through. Okay, so the final one. Let's see what happens. We just have 2 bases now. I think 2 bases. Just 1 base. Okay. I think we are done with this round. Let's just see what happens with this boss. I just have 1 hero base. Okay, but they're gonna tank. Okay, so I think I'll win this one as well, because now my 3 heroes are attacking this boss. I think I should get it. It's done. So we are through Q as well. Wow. Let's go with R. I think I should go till T then. That's for sure. I mean, why shouldn't I? Okay, well, what just happened? My Boreal Fox and Levanica are dead. Oh, so R is the place that I'm gonna stop for now. Okay, so I need Walla Walla, maybe some kind of a healer, maybe a Water Priestess that could help us out. But a Walla Walla would be great actually. That was some good session. 3 heroes, Levanica, Valiant Saintess and Boreal Fox, just took out all the HBM waves till Q. I mean, that is impressive, very impressive. I thought we'd go till T, but that didn't happen. I think we just need, I'm just short of 1 healer, and I think that should be fine. I'll just sweep away, and that's it for this video. Stay safe and happy clashing. Bye bye.